everyone. I hope you're having a great day. If your child doesn't want to study, maybe it's time to tell them what the world wants. Number one, time won't wait for them today. They can say, I don't feel like it, but tomorrow they'll watch their friends move ahead and wonder why they're stuck. And as a parent, that hurts. Effort is an optional. If they don't want to work hard now, in a classroom, they have to work twice as hard out there where no one will hold their hands. The world don't owes them nothing. Not success, not respect, not even a second chance. Unless they build a real skills and let alone. We can't protect them from the truth. Knowledge is power. It's not just about school. It's learning how to think, how to speak, and how to solve the problem. That's what open doors. That's what always keep them from depending on someone else. Number 5, without preparation, life is cruel. The jobs left for the unprepared, low pay, no dignity, easily replaced, and no parent wants that to their child. Because studying may not be the only way, but doing nothing is never an option. So this is just a thought that hopefully you learn something. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Maria Vaughn. Bye. Till next time.